Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia guys. So today guys, what we're going to do is we're going to discuss how the radiator fan works on Nissan X-Trail year 2006 year model. So this is T30 engine, model T30 model of Nissan X-Trail. So we are creating this video guys as a response to the request of our YouTube follower guys. So this friend of ours made a request after he had seen our video regarding how to diagnose a not working radiator fan of Nissan X-Trail. So this video is for him, and I hope you guys will also learn from this video guys. So before we start our video guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press that subscribe button. Please press that notification bell so you will be notified every time we do a video guys. And please press that like button guys. Guys, let's start our study of radiator fan of Nissan X-Trail, or the operation of the radiator fan. So as you can see in the screen guys, the diagram of the radiator fan is displayed. So on the top portion of the diagram, we can see all the fuses. Then as I scroll it up, you can see two relay guys. Cooling fan relay number 1, that is our low speed relay. Then cooling fan relay number 3, that is our high speed relay. Then let's scroll it up. Now it shows the two motor guys. So the cooling fan motor number 1, that is single speed motor. Then the one on the right, that's cooling fan motor number 2, that is dual speed. It got low speed and high speed. Then let's scroll up a little bit. Then we can see on the left hand side guys, this one, that is our ECM. That's the one controlling the fan. That's the one make the fan works. So right now guys, we are going to discuss first the low speed, then after that the high speed. So as you can see in the diagram guys, you cannot see a thermal switch on the diagram. Thermal switch is being used on old school cooling system of the vehicle. But right now, the modern vehicle is very intelligent. It uses the ETC, engine coolant temperature, to turn on the radiator fan. So there is a program put by the engineer inside the ECM when the fan should work. On this particular model guys, the radiator fan works at 98 degrees centigrade. That is on the memory of the ECM. And it turned off the radiator fan at 93 degrees centigrade. So hey guys, let's start the operation of low speed guys. So during low speed guys, see this terminal 97 of ECM, the one on the left, that is our low speed signal coming from the ECM. That's the output of low speed. Then 89 guys, so 97, let me correct guys, 97 is the low speed signal wire, and 89 is the high speed signal wire. So during low speed guys, the ECM will provide negative signal on terminal 97 going to terminal number 2, this one guys, of cooling fan relay number 1. So we have negative on terminal 2, and on terminal number 1 we have positive. The positive voltage is coming from this 10 ampere fuse number 13. So this is ignition switch on or start. So once the ECM supply negative here, it complete the circuit, then the relay will create magnetic field, and that magnetic field will pull the contact of uh, this contact here, then this one, guys. So there's two contact there. So once it pull that contact, guys, that two contact, this one and this one, terminal number 5 will engage to terminal number 3, 5 and 3. And at the same time, it will contact terminal number 7 and number 6. So contact number 5 is getting positive voltage from the 40 ampere fuse C. That one, guys. This one. Then the positive voltage will flow from terminal number 5 going to terminal number 3. Then it goes to the terminal number 1 of cooling fan. So the cooling fan number 1 will have positive signal, positive voltage supply, and on terminal 2 it is connected directly to the negative ground on E50. This one, guys, E50. That E50 is the one responsible for giving signal, negative signal on terminal number 2 of cooling fan relay. So we have complete circuit now. We have positive, we have negative. So the fan will operate. So that is the high speed of this fan. So it only got one speed. This fan, guys, only one speed. So it got high speed. Then this terminal 7 and terminal 6 of cooling fan relay, this is the contact responsible for supplying positive voltage on low speed of cooling fan number 2. So how does it work? Since the relay create magnetic field, this one, guys, it will pull this contact point. So number 7 will engage on terminal number 6. So number 7 will get positive signal, positive voltage signal, not signal, supply from 40 ampere fuse D. So positive coming from the fuse D, 40 ampere, going to terminal number 7 of cooling fan relay number 1. Then it will flow to terminal number 6 of cooling fan relay number 1. Then it will go to terminal number 1 of cooling fan number 2. So this is terminal number 1. Now we have positive. So negative of terminal number 4 will be coming directly from E50. This one, guys. So terminal number 1 of cooling fan number 2 and terminal number 4 of cooling fan number 2, that is our low speed circuit, guys. So since we have ground coming from E50 and we have positive from fuse 40 letter D, then it flow to relay number 1 through terminal 7 and 6. Now we have complete circuit. So this low speed of cooling fan number 2 will start working. So during low speed, guys, the responsible for giving supply on cooling fan number 1 and cooling fan number 2 is relay fan number 1. That is our low speed. Now let's go to high speed. So high speed signal will be coming from the ECM. This one, guys. It coming from terminal 89. Then it will flow to this wire, going here, going to terminal number 2 of cooling fan relay number 3. This one, guys. This is our cooling fan relay number 3. This is our high speed. So since we have negative here on terminal number 2, we also have positive signal coming from terminal number 1, and the positive signal voltage coming from following this wire, guys. It will be coming from this 10 ampere fuse number 13. So since we have positive on terminal number 1 of cooling fan relay, and we have negative on cooling fan relay number 3, terminal number 2, so we have complete circuit. This coil will produce magnetic field, and it will pull the contact of this terminal of this contact, this one and this one. So you can see when I press the button, guys, it makes some kind of touching symbol. So once it creates signal, guys, terminal number 3 and number 5, 3 and 5, that is our positive circuit for high speed of cooling fan number 2. So the positive will be coming from 40 ampere fuse, this one, guys, letter D. Then it flow to this wire. It goes to terminal number 3. Then it will flow to terminal number 5 of cooling fan relay number 3. Then it will go to terminal number 2 of cooling fan motor number 2. So we have positive supply on terminal number 2. That is our high speed circuit of this cooling fan motor. That is the positive supply. Then our negative will be coming from on the same relay. So once this one, relay, cooling fan relay, create magnetic field, it will engage terminal number 6 and terminal number 7. So 6 and 7, this is the pathway of negative. Our negative will coming from this E24 ground. It will flow there through terminal number 7 of cooling fan relay number 3, this one, guys. Then negative will flow to terminal number 6 of cooling fan number 3. Then it goes to this wire, to this wire, to this wire. Then it go to terminal number 3 of cooling fan motor number 2. So cooling fan number 2 negative supply is complete, and we have positive supply on number 2 of cooling fan number 2, terminal number 2. So the circuit is complete. So high speed will start working. So terminal number 2 and terminal number 3 is our high speed winding, guys. So since we have already positive on terminal 2, we have negative on terminal 3, complete circuit, high speed will operate, guys. So that's how this circuit works, guys. Then the sensor that give commands for the ECM to operate, guys, is the engine coolant temperature sensor. Once it reaches 98 degrees, the ECM will provide negative supply on terminal 97, guys. So it will turn on the low speed circuit of the fan. So both fan will work. Cooling fan number 1, motor number 1, cooling fan motor number 2. So that's how it works, guys. Then what we're going to do next, guys, is we're going to go to the vehicle and evaluate the actual operation of the radiator fan. Hi guys, right now guys, our temperature is 98 degrees. Now the fan is kicking on, is working now. And look at the temperature. The temperature will goes down, guys. The fan is working right now. So dropping to 97, 96, 95, 94, 93. Okay, so it's stopped working once it reaches 93 degrees. So as you can see guys, the air condition signal is off. So the radiator fan works according to the signal given by the engine coolant temperature. It does not work through the signal of the AC system. So once it reaches 98 degrees guys, the fan will start work. So once this one temperature go almost 98 degrees guys, we will go in the engine bay and I will show you when the fan turns on. Hey guys, the fan guys is working right now guys. See? What fan is working, and look at our temperature right now guys, is now 94, 93. Okay, it is stopped right now guys. It stopped. So the turn off right now guys. So once again, once this temperature, that's the coolant temperature, see, coolant temperature, once it reaches to 98 degrees, that radiator fan will start operate. So it is the engine coolant temperature sensor that giving command to the ECM to operate the fan. So right now it's already 93. So once this thing turns to 98 degrees, the ECM will give command to the relay of the fan to operate. So the radiator fan will cool down the engine coolant. As you can see right now guys, see, air conditioning signal is off. So right now it's not working. So fan will operate based on the signal given by the engine coolant temperature. Okay, so 95, 3 more degrees guys. 96. Let's wait for a while until it works guys. So right now it's still off guys. So almost 98. See how it works once it reaches 98 degrees. So 98. Look at guys, it works. Okay. Once it drops to 94 degrees guys, the fan will stop working. So that is the program inside the ECM when the fan will work. So once it reaches 98 degrees, the ECM will turn on the radiator fan. So this is our engine coolant temperature, guys. That one. This is the one giving information to the ECM what temperature the cooling system on the spot, guys. So it is the one reading the temperature of the cooling system of the coolant, or reading the temperature of the coolant. This one. So that's our coolant temperature sensor. So this job, the job of this sensor is to inform the ECM how much is the temperature, how hot is the coolant of the engine. So once this one tell to the ECM that the temperature of the cooling system or the coolant is already 98 degrees, the ECM will automatically turn on the fan. So right now, guys, let's see it again once how this fan operates. So right now it's 97 degrees. Now I'm going to put it in the fan. So right now, guys, it's 98 degrees. See the fans on. Yep, 98 degrees. Once it reaches 93 or somewhere 94, 92 degrees, the fan will stop working. Four, 93, 93 degrees. So it's off at 93 degrees, guys. Hi guys, I'm ending this video up here only, guys. I hope this video will become helpful to you guys. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, please press that subscribe button. Please press that like button. Please press that notification bell so you will be notified every time I do a video, guys. Okay guys, see you in the future video, guys. Goodbye. Paalam. Marami sa piston. Ang 4x4, all wheel niya, gumagana.
Walang difference. Ano yun eh?
Engine yung isa.
Yung 6 kasabay ng 4x4.
Engine yung V6. Engine yun. 4x4 sa wheels yun.
What said it? Said the V6 about the engine and the 4x4 about the wheels.
Yeah, you should say what's the difference between V6 and V4.
Ang inang kulay pa nagawa. Difference na itong hype na pabilis. Ilampasan pa niya yung palalaki. Yung mga kotse.
Have you ever made this? This is what they call it. This might be Mr. Beast 100 years ago. I bet they paid $20 million.
It reminds me of the...
Tree goes $1 each tree.
I thought it was like, yeah, naman. Yeah, about...
$20 million.
Ano to? Lupa ba to ba?
Ha?
Lupa.
Oh, lupa to. Hindi pa to, no?
Kaya madulas yun o.
Hindi pa to.
Big
Oh my gosh.
Looks like multi by itself. And so it's not.
Saan ba to? Masag puso. Baga ba ito yung sa looban ng mga pine tree nakikita natin eh.
Oo nga. Nire-road tayo sa traffic dun.
Survivor eh.
actually lives
May
here.
bahay oh.
You must be rich.
I ain't living here.
Oh, it's smooth. It's smooth now.
Ano,
Look, that was a hill.
farm ng ubas to yan, oh.
Oh, the hill.
Ubas. Farm ng ubas.
I don't
Alam ko mga farmer na yan dito eh.